Ojidin Ewa Hama Harrison, and the team of Masobi Abijaso, what to the Ding Habibi Herbal Tea. It's on Secretary Ban, Dr. Amankwa Abdullah, Alda Habibi Herbal Clinic, and Ekuta UK, and the Ghana Abodin Kata, the Dini Jumenti, Washington, Abu Akofa Haban, so go for UK mem, Abidjan or Memo, the Sahaban in Habibi Herbal Tea. One society to also announce one, a boosted immune system 75%. I think I dear be a woolly pediano and pediano empe, dear Bruni Fenatoxic, Teen Bailey in every amoni pediano. Free. Unum Habibi Herbal Tea, Bakun Etia, Yanketing Kitibia, and Woni Pedian, and Nasa Epesaba Nipedian. And one is the Ubeli Baku, Atu Kapi, Nuashi and Sushi Ebu, Ubetumi Anumnesa, Opeswa, the sugar and the milk, and Bakam. Woni Wabusia, Mufa Habibi Herbal Tea, and the Mutia Benum and Opebia, Nayadia, a being Hamuta, Ubenya be our drugstore and our provision store beer. And I said, Ope Habibi Herbal Tea, the door network, Accra, Habibi Herbal Clinic, Yawodoko, Yemi Anointed Electricals, the edition, Ubetumi Su Afre, 0243 039937. Habibi Herbal Tea, never ever give up.
Nimudia any apondi and Yakopon Adaroma, Adiadum Habibi Herbal Clinica. See, a new hospital no Fete Kakraba, Ubasino. See, we teen a Hodua and Gopandaroma, Suyan UK, Yadi Abba. See, teen a Hodua, Wahina, and I want no more our Pundi with me at Sinida. Now, Nuntina Habibi Herbal Clinic, say, know your blood group and know your diet. Habibi Herbal Team, never ever give up. So, but Fetch Kakraba, main hospital now, Nabu Sampase, Yankopon, Achea, dear Naikusian, Yamanasu, Yuka, yes, Suyan said the boy, if we are safe and in more than Nembria, Tier, Adum TV, and about 5:30, and you let 10 o'clock, never Fetch Kakraba, main hospital. Never grabbing up a home, never Efa Kamo, Habibi Herbal Clinic, know your blood group and know your diet. Habibi Herbal Tea, never ever give up. Yes, sir, when I'm Popo, as soon as you Emma Ashefu, Namianuma, now what you be almost share program, Namia, Habibi Herbal Clinic, Adum TV, the BR, a Kosiada number 5:30, and 10 o'clock. Na adeba ko a ye di kai dia se da kese ama empanimfo e ogan na because we hunu se penimfo bebre ehwe ahemfo politicians even ni abia afra na kamemani na se me chise omhwe omunyina no ehwe ebi ebo ya baso kama na ade a medical ka se nyankopon ene de adom na adom me se memwa se be ya nipa ayare ankasa ebe free so. He said, Adisuya and Amia Madma Mikusia, oh, you can not be pass, I said, you would be a pay of Eddie. So, as I say, I'm Mishra, but in 40 Catchy, and then I'm Popoya, Duma, and Ijinasa, Fete Kakraba, Clinica, Namia, Mayesi, as say, woman, Yetuma. You let in young luncheon official, and to some friend, but inform my Nebon Pie, my dear, then so, and another mother Roma. Yeah, Fidium, Yatuane, Nadaroma, and Pata, Fidium Pata in Nadaroma. Wapa Abe Bompire, Amiati, Yatinema, Mapapin Brubia, a very Latin official, and Yato suffering for Tinamisha and Anuisha, Fidium Mahim, MIA, and Repemuno, a better sufferer, penning for Naya Banya, a Latin Kamama forever. Adia and Amidian, and Namisha would go on catch in Namidia group. He said, and you may be over no more. Yes, I nipa yekum, especially area man kobas and penning for Yanida or Moswani and Nimsen, Kayin, or money, Lucian and Befree. Obet us happening in the soup, no doubt. I have a summer and 10 ya diabetes, a whole go pressure. Now, and no thing, Namia, my visa actually we buy at this one, Lupa Priama, see who said, a Shakasi, a bar and so at the Avenue. Yes, says program we are playing them. Say, Nipabi, a baby matter, a becassa, a tiami. Never be here, say a he said, Macan, say, Yamia, no more than say, Members are the one may be as a fan in Nana, the Mammy and Fancy, maybe Papinia. And the idea a very research, I never says, I do we, and many pop upon the Etusino, and not the IBC. Because say yes, come on, dear Yankopon Adon, Kabia, the Bidia, Nelson, a son said, Yankopon, Echawa, dear, Wakan program says so Chawa Dena is capacity can be Amari, Dampa Matamuda, Assassin, so very ansana. Why they Atamuda said, and Nasi idea to see council, Nemo, and someone about many Papo near Cipino, a seed. Tiene program, no, if you need a penny for a walk with Biasia Fanan and Yagana, because program we are a Biasin and Yagana, one I if you have a program, I give you a yes, say, will be Biara, one who would know. Mabubi so entry be free, we want to be. Now go YouTube, so I mean, what the oh, say is it here, what down will be no hour, and some way is it here, Mudu is it here. I go back one research, I'm my young who are dead if you say, and you may be around or for you be a candy, I'm a boy, your home. One more marketing, one marketing more, am I dealing more, Emma, later. Says so Bonia air by a swan or country, no more side you ebre, you break. Now in Lulu so called your brain and one to get the idea research. I didn't necessarily tell you, I say, na yen bad, and me a boy a big as so, yet she a hungry, Samani. Next to before graduate, mobile man said, Sam, Bosia, a general for Guntino, and the problem can see. Ban by my name, and more when you done so say, Sappening, we would know your mentor, Sappening and Gaussiano, now so that what do baby no, or better as a penny in the soup. And sorry, penny for a mind penny for doctors. I need down so be one or hospital can see I will be a real call, or better as when you soup. And then necessary bassa. Next we son, near baby, I'm for marketing a my unity, and a great problem of mine. Tiene program we medical kan se mesre minimsa manfo be cassette ya me di matam na so nyango pon se men kan na wa be cassette ya me bia so no e wan kasa onu nya men temasem na mo mi ye ka me ka ama wuni na e bia ye wo go kun se e yam pass we e na ye me ene adi we ya me di no do e na ama me sa problem we because ye dey black people by na me ad mama fo so mpa program na ma be so ya research ye ya Yango Poya, I am in field ground, net in ye, near the Busoye. Tibia, some for it in ye bar. And no program, no a war. Or how side effects, Yaria, a war in Bray. Because of Murafo Adia, a warning because of Yetimich Emma, what a befield. Ebe war am I into your marketing one maybe by you one Brian names and so a war at the back. And into the program they macase and what day, dear best lama for said, almost a yap trade, no munchi, one, no need no our working, yes, if Dr. Mangabula can't eat and I mean, so Pelicatas Monsieur, no, we are here. No, we are sexual transmitted infection 2,250. As I don't want to make a once a month can get to a nipper, the Babu clinic and get to one. And we are near Nipa, Mujam Penny, Namasua, and can get to one. In Hawaii 501, I may be a mood, which is a nano program in here, papa. The idea and crap on Yaba.
Prisla, Adam, come on, may I read now? This guy, I remember, Yatum, ta. Wash. Hey! And Robert Brewen in a chinuntono. It's more patches and Muti, Habibi Herbal Clinic in Can. Habibi Herbal Clinic. Dr. Amankwa Abdullah with the Habibi Herbal Clinic. I usually only send Nipabia as a so whom Mojaku, I will be a brony friend of blood group as one who Diana Sasawuti. And yes, sir, with a rare Benum Rahudo and so on. Dr. Amankwa Abdullah sit to an amount nebra no one show blood group. So we A, B, and O plus. No such show at Diana Safatamam. A bassa, a bubble who by every idea concomitant diabetes, stroke, cancer, prostate enlargement, any near Kikamu. Nafi, Ama Kwana Nipedian, mature immune system no any holding. Now, quarter dear kitting to be a bone Nipedian. Habibi Herbal Clinic, they have 501 D1 Juma, Nesenti, or the tea I would be ever just a Bini Habibi Herbal tea, Habibi Fazis tea, Habibi Panos tea, Habibi Betula tea, and a Habibi Cinco tea. Dr. Kuta UK and Ghana Abudin Krata Edunsia, I chess a UK and Ghana buying Agelatum.
Open Habibi Herbal Clinic at Chakwaya, Accra, or Doko, one in Alonta Electricals, Nadine Shanimu. And your clinic is here, Kama, yes, for El Feteka Kraba, a Hoyo OPD, dispensary, consulting rooms, lab, restaurant, and several blood group at Janibia, mosque, any spacious car park. Afi, a school for Anna and Crankrabia, Opesa, who said the Herba, Esaya, Obaha, a betcha.
Habibi Herbal Clinic. Know your blood group and know your diet.
Ahwefo ase na minishira ahwefo nyina titu wiase mpanyimfo a monya anigye ewo program Habibi Herbal Hospital na yare a yesale de ebu screen na se ti woni no wo TV na woni makenka ya no ahwe menka se ye mbo yare bi nti wo yare na wo mba da bi mesrem ntie ni pa nemu esan se bepese nipa apom ni si binti na mede sa program we no eba na ye be emre nti ye be body to fa kakra ye bat ye be sa to ato akire ye was short term effect and your long term effect ye really ye pa se wudi ewo more than 1 tablespoon a day ntie ye pa more than atre na ye no kokono ebro ba ko da ko etoa so a ne cha eniyama bi a edika bo kokko one ne se uyefunu no ebetai aboma na ehu so ntie ni ba de atoso biem uyema ekonkukukuru no etimi ma wunya daria ye ayamutuo na saa ayamutuo no ye ayamutuo a ye ayamutuo na wo kwa ehwie bebre ebeye te se de akoro ewo mu no afe esama onson ketwa necessary digest aduane ma wono ehano entitambia no didi digestive system no en work correct because ya se nipa bi wo Ghana ha wo hwe wo mo yare na ewo edenti because ewo no wo wudi 1 tablespoon no hwe mu se niam ya package a wudi ni dodo no wa so wo de wo ewo mu eti ya package bi a wudi ewo mu na wo wasa kodi 1 tablespoon na boro no unse odakro wa hwia na kodi wo be 10 tablespoon a day because you anya ya package na ye bi no dodo ni nyina no ewo wo dodo no a ewo wo kakra bi na wo ni enti sunse ewo na nuane a wudi na ankasa na ewo kakra wo nti esa wo ya na bi na emu sa kodi dodo aka ho no ebe ma problem enti ewo ya de a ye nhye sa ne ma we enso afi long term effect se ya se wo behunu se ade na fe de se ma dia chinti no ha be kese pa no ene se a uyefunu no acid ebe ba uyem more afobo se wo minimum no so focus no na eno so wo mu a eye wo ya na enyema bi ebe ba wo minimum na Ghana de be ka cho se nsonson na ha wo nti na wo ye wo na wo no nsonson nuro na ye ewo no awaye wo hu awudie no na ma wo problem ade ba ko a ya ewo mu ene se enkwala akola woni afi research kire se akola biara woni afi a wo be ma ne wo no ye ntie nie ba wo mo so entimi digest ewo no enti de ba se akola ni na problem akoba se eba akoba se onya constipation de etoso bie mu nso ne se sa akola no wa nhwe ni ya obewu ne po se doctor wo ya ade mu se ye wo na aye ne sa akora na wo benu a akola ni ntimi nsi ne dada mu se ne nyame ebo no ne bie ti wo mu aye se ye wo ba fa wo kana no medical ka se emrofo eye nipa bia ade biara wo ma ye bia ka nyame de ho no wo market no dodo se be ya ye be di no wo nya sika na wo ma ye research eti yense no so ade biara wo ni market no wa be ye nemu ade ba ko ya ne se emrofo ni ba no dia be se ye before ni ensa ti ya dwe ye se ye before na market ye ezo na ye emrofo ni create ye before ti oni enim se ye wa ema wa ye wo ma ye ti ewo ye ni ye duru enye duane yense no so na ye wo side effects ahodo 12 bia ye be bodini na se wuni na ebi aye wo hu se am passe ewo na me bi no do na ama me problem ye de wo ye duro you need a war more than 1 tablespoon a day. Monshano so. Na yintie die pa na ade ba ko bi mu se medical kasa akola wo di wa yi ade yesremu emfa ewo emma no se de ewo akola se de wo kana no because before ye wu a ye nka de kura bi wu ye ti yen shano so because your research no ye nya ade de tosu bi se medical kasa DNA no ade bi a eno ne de ebo ho eniema ebe ma wonya stroke ne cancer no ebo ho bai na emu immune system so ekofom enti mo hye no so blood groups no AB enkoa ne timi di ewo dodo AB ntie yi blood group A B O eni ewo more than 1 tablespoon a day mesremo meka na yare na be kan so nya wo de wodi akiri no yero hudi na hwese ma wo so akasa me boa na yehu se de esiti de atoso 3 mesime ebobo no tofa ema wo yafunu abubom so odi wo edodo a wo yafunu abubom ema onya ayamtuo diarrhea yenhye no so afei de atoso biom 4 esai won so no ketwa na digest eniema ema wo 5 wo bi a wo ye allergic ewo ehono se wo di wo a wonya asthma ade ba ko ya pa ne se ama for friend me say habibi ye wo nto me se mesra mo me fa wo nya duro ade ba ko ya pa ne se ye de ewo eye asthma eduro wo Ghana abra obi a ewo enye mana na wadi wo do no se wo ma wo di wa ko du ba bi e sa ma na asthma ti ye hye sa ne ma no so na ye hwe afa be du ba bi no otintasu a enye na na me ye ya ye sintasu a hono na de etosu biem so a eka ho ne se duru ba bi a wontimi ho me papa na ne bi ne mu ye ne hene ana ne ho ye ne hene ana ne ka kire maso ye ne hene esa ma inflammatory disease sa ye inflammatory disease a ade ba ko a e wa ha ya ne se ya hrawa no e maninya problem e wo e ma ya hrawa nya inflammatory disease because e won say wo we so the issue fra na atoto isinesini bi sa e wo mu enti saa anyema na atoto isinesini se ko hrawa no na hrawa ne se home na wo home a epu ade bi ti se guru e ka wo no mu ana fi esa ensuo gina na aye se hye ensuo ne gina wa hrawa no ti afi bo sa fi na ama wo wabo ti ya chesa anyema no so ama wo se wo asma fa wo e ye duro ne sremo ye chesa anyema so because obi okọ wa bi a chesa na hrawa no problem wo nti se wo sa de wo ko ka ho na wo ye enyam debre ti ya chesa anyema no so na emwa ye because ama problem no outdoor so ama ye the toxic 6 enso eno eye sa inflammatory disease e ba ya hrawa mu no dise wunya doctor wo ye expert ene betimi ehun emre nti ye ntimi enwie emre ni so apa ye besai atoa so na afei ye hunu na ade ba ko bi mu so se ewo emma a low pressure no emma e ko form boro so enti obi wa no pressure ye se ko di ewo na wodi wo a pressure no be ko form na de wo e ye drama e be na ko form ampa de na so di aburo e be ko form ama fe be wi ase how de a trap to 8 enema de 12 but mu 8 emre nti ye be sa to aso ya ene se oba onyem enni ewo oba oma akola nufo enni ewo medical ka se sa program ya amanfo mi ye no ye be di matem na enso nyankopon se benye enipa enya ahode nti nya de a meja ye ene eja ye ene echina iguso ye timpanifo a mo be ye no yesra mo se mo fa pai bon so enyina ye ti na nyankopon enhira no nhira no nto mo nkom na omo mo ho bai omo yi nyina ye ho bai free stroke ene diabetes ehun na mnofo no eye ahaye ti e da obia se na nyankopon eya bomo a ye besai atoa so ye rie no ye besai atoa so ye rie ama obia ehun ye ti a ye wo odi no do a ebeye no na me nhira mo
about clinic, I share son and then sweet Yababedri, know your blood group and know your diet. You will see a hotel baby or I say, Obianum be a bit me abuano. First, the kind you better check, have you been about team
Habibi herbal tea no tea a obi atimi bi apart from nkwalani apem for pe eboa eyi toxics efri ni pedue na esanso boost immune system nema enya ahoɔden mapa papa afenso yeba melati ono no ye diabetes hypertension emane eboa eworo ni moja no kama eyi saa yare ni nyina efri ho ebre na se kama ono nso ewo ho nti afenso yeba kyerɛ see a friend cinco nso ye see a circulating mojem na so eboama mbema nkanka omo prostrate ewo ho no say we so ebeboa eyi ni nyinara efim wa e contain prostrate na na say this bacteria ne ba nyinara ebeboa eyi ni nyina efim afen so ye wa pinus tea we no tea a eboa liver no na san so eboa kidney no wona wenya kidney problem and na say wenya liver problem no tea we betimi abo mo eyi ni nyina efiwo STI bia so awo bia so tea we ebeboa awo hye ni nyina ama wo ho ato kama this tea no eboa embati tea omo mo ye funyare omo mo tipaye omo mo problem of fibroid no tea we eboa ewo hye system ni mo nyina obi a what's problem ni bia ombra Habibi herbal clinic no benya this tea na odi asane ho yare afenso so ye wo nduane awodo a blood group no enyina etimidi group O4 na chocolate very good emo pa esane se cocoa butter and milk and sugar na ye de ayeninti we no ade a eboa O4 na emo protein no omunya ahode mo protein ma papa apart from we so chocolate bia wa abontin bia so very good mo ba we no Habibi herbal and ayen no specialize ayen nti ebeboa so bia benya bi no wedi na ma wenya ahode especially omo ye O4 and B4 omo betimi edi Habibi herbal clinic know your blood group and know your diet oba ha ubenya wayaresa never ever give up
biara so akoma betumi adi djuma yi a ne gina mojapa a obebo de mam na nso sebrebo ni endi ne djuma sane yefata akoma ne yede nya mojapa enu ntina Dr. Amankwa Abdullah da Habibi herbal clinic no aye hwehwemu de tin wanwaso bi aba wato ne din Habibi Panus tea wonom sa tea ya nyema fin bi a wo brebo ni a entimi ma akoma ne nya mojapa no ne nyina be free ho ton Habibi Panus tea ewo restaurant snack bar any tea joint Habibi Panus tea at supermarket any provision store via open the door for 0243 03 9937 and 0267 44 3364.
Habibi Panus tea.